This is Changelog 11 for Heist, the 12th in my series about what's changed and what's new in the game this week. Last week I published a blog post instead of a video because what I'd been working on was very difficult to demonstrate in a graphical way. I'd been building out support for significantly more complicated electronic systems as well as starting works on physics constraints, joints between entities like hinges as well as motors to push entities around. This week I implemented a load more constraints into the engine, so there are now 11 constraints as well as 2 kinds of motors, and I still have 6 more types of constraints and about 5 more motors to add. That's not my highest priority now though. I've also added support for the electronic system to control the motors, so right now I've only added support for 1 motor type to be controlled from electronics, but it should be fairly easy to add more using the same template. This all comes together to mean that I can now implement complicated physical devices which are controlled by the electronic system. My test case for this has been this automatic door, which connects a motion sensor, which is a physics sensor, to the door, which is a physical object, via a timed latch, which is an electronic infrastructure device, and when I get within 5 meters of the door, it uses a physics motor to push the door open, and then when I get more than 5 meters away, it waits 3 seconds before using a physics motor to push the door closed. This may seem a little underwhelming, but remember this door only uses 1 of the 8 kinds of motor and 1 of the 20 or so constraints. I could use what I've already built to build lifts, cars, planes, helicopters, all kinds of stuff really. This is the foundation for interactive physics objects in the game, and I'm pretty excited about it. That's it for this week. If you'd like to keep up with the latest news on the project, you can follow me on Twitter as Martin D. Evans, you can follow my development blog at martindeevans.me, or of course you can subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.